welcome back to the channel. You are watching Novatazz Customs, and I am Novatazz. This is my buddy Chevy, also known as Twizted, or what is your KT?
KOTS Chevy Boy 36.
There you go. And anyway, today we are back on this thing again. I did pick up a new battery. It's somewhere over here. There it is. We have two new shocks. Because the last time I picked this car up, as you can see, there is a lot of travel. The car is actually sitting on its own weight here, so this is way too much. The shock is fully extended, and that's not a good situation. So the first thing we're going to do today is finish where I left off in the last video, which is the driver's side exhaust. Get that up and in. I have a few things I wanted to check out with the electrical system before I plug in the new battery, and then we will be replacing the shocks in the back. And hopefully maybe we can fire it up, pull it out, give it a good wash real quick. Because this thing is absolutely filthy. And that's not even the worst of it. I mean, it's just cruddy. Anyway, so without further ado, I'm itching to get started today. So let's get cracking on this build today. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, as you can see, I have the exhaust partway up in on this side. This is where I finished last week. I do have to get the muffler up in, and with that I have the band clamp. So I'm going to get under the car and start doing that, and we'll see if we'll take you with me or not. So the first thing I'm going to do is get this exhaust up here. Get it loosely put in place. Alright, so we have the exhaust all the way up under. The next stage is to try and to get this thing fired back up again, which Chevy is right now checking the starter wires to make sure they're not touching the exhaust. And we'll get it fired up, and then if we can, we'll get it lowered down on the ground and back it out of the garage. Alright, so we weren't able to put these shocks on because they are different. We had them laying around. We thought maybe they might work. I forgot that the bottoms are different. Throwing the wheels back on. We did end up... Oops. Go ahead. Take the... We did end up removing the sway bar because I do have a broken end link. And thank God sway bars are not a necessary part of the suspension. It just helps. At least a rear sway bar. But we're going to get this thing... Go ahead. We're going to get this thing back down on all fours. Going to move this stuff out of the way and take it out and give it a bath. All right.
could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be. Let's stay here, let's stay here in love. Let's stay here, let's stay here in love.
Well, there you have it. Trans Am got her first bath in I don't even know how long. She runs. You can hear the exhaust. It sounds freaking amazing. I'm sure it sounds much better in person than it does in the video, but trust me, it's freaking amazing. Anyway, so we still have a lot of things left to do on our list, but we were able to cross a few of them off today. Let's see here. Battery, cross that one off. Exhaust, cross that off. We have the, I'm not even sure what that one says over there. We have the vacuum lines done and figured out. Still have issues with the car, but a lot of the things we've crossed off today already. And I have to thank you guys for watching. And if you would like to support the build, please do not forget to check out my Teespring account. The link is down below. All of those proceeds help to fund this project and the other ones that I have. But again, I can't do any of this without you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you like the video, please hit that thumbs up. Alright, until next time, this is Sean and Chevy. I'll see you in the next video.